What's up, guys? Forward. Come here, guys. So we're gonna go check the car out right now just to see if it's what I gotta wake up to every morning, basically. With oh crap.
Just walk in it.
Show this real quick, though.
Just walk in. Oh shit.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekejt here. Yo, YouTube. I'm at work currently, guys, but this video had to be made. Like, this is my first time ever seeing snow, and this is not even snow. It's just a little bit of snow. But I'm just like so amused. I just want to go out in it right now. Everyone is talking about this is nothing yet. This is blah blah blah. I'm cold as fuck. I'm so cold. But I just want to run out in it. Like, I'm gonna show you guys real quick what's going on. Look at that, guys. This is enough for me. I don't want no more. I'm not wearing my gloves. I'm supposed to be at work right now, but I just had to do this video real quick. Let's just go through it for a little bit, guys. Let's just go with the snow for a bit. Woo. Shit. Damn. Oh, my phone doesn't get mashed up or some shit. Damn, guys. Look at your boy. Yeah. Yeah. Oh my word. Guys, I'm from Jamaica. I should not be comfortable right now. Look at my coworker just pulling up. I should not be comfortable right now, but I'm so damn comfortable, guys. Like, damn. It's snowing and I'm in it. I'm from Jamaica, guys. Well, you never know. This is my first ever type. Look at my feet. Look at that. Yo. Yo. You're looking at me like this dude is stupid. Look what I just did, guys. I just did that. That's all me. Look, that's all me. This is a little bit of snow, guys. It's not really snowing yet. Look at this. Damn. Let's make a run for it, guys. Ready? Right. Why supposed to say like, boy, I'm not really obsessed. Look, I should be working, guys. I know my boss probably looking at me, looking for me right now. What? I don't care. It's my first time. You gotta see with me. Damn, I made so damn footsteps. Wow. But anyways, guys. Later when I'm driving in the snow, I'll give you guys an update. I'm swallowing snow right now. Later when I'm driving home, I'll do an update video. You understand? My hands are getting real cold right now. I don't care. I had to come out. This is my first time. The first thing I did when I look out and I saw it was calling my mom and say, "Mom!" FaceTime my mom and say, "Mom, look outside." She's like, "What is that fucking snow?" Like, yes. But anyways, I'm gonna go to work, guys. I need that money differently. YouTube is not paying me enough yet. Oh, I'm blinding. So when I'm driving home later, look at this car. Look at that. Where's it at? But anyways, guys, I need to head back to work right now. I just did that. Oh my. The birds are still flying. They're still out here doing their shit. Anyways, I'm gonna head to work right now. Yeah. Guys, see, I got the gloves on and everything. What's up? Now I'm on my lunch break. So I want to probably just go out there. Just want to check my car out. I just want to go and look at my car, guys. Because this car right here is down far. But I just want to go and see my car. Probably to see how it looks. What am I going to have to be waking up to every damn morning to clean off my car and whatever. Just to see. Because they say it goes up to like 5 inches, 6 inches of snow be falling and whatever. This is nothing compared to what they normally get. So yeah. Look at her smoking away. Don't know I'm here. skate? Will I fall, bro? Like skate? I'm asking you.
You're not gonna fall, nigga.
Alright. What's up, guys? Forward. Come here, guys. So we're gonna go check the car out right now just to see if it's what I gotta wake up to every morning, basically. With crap.
Just walk in it.
Show this real quick, though.
Just walk in. Oh shit. Look, I'm sinking in too. Come on.
Show my feet, bro. Show my feet.
Look, yo, cameraman fail.
Yo, guys, I haven't experienced nothing like this before, guys, and I'm on new to it. And it's not cold or whatever.
You ain't hear me?
Huh?
Man, I fell.
You fell?
Yeah.
Come on, you won't see.
And you ain't gonna record that?
look what I mean, and look what this dude is saying, yo. Check it out. No, bro.
Man, this ain't shit to me.
But look at me. All gloves and on, B.
Give me that.
Oh my gosh, look at my baby.
What is that?
Don't get the plates.
Don't get the place? Okay, I will.
Yeah.
Oh, look what you just stepped in. Just shoot.
Oh my gosh.
Look at your car, man.
Yeah.
I mean, we only been here for like 2 hours. 2 or 3 hours.
What's up, man?
Alright, nigga. I ain't going to have no start. Don't forget I got your phone in my head, dude.
Oh, I'm sorry.
What the fuck is that?
Self starts. Damn, bro.
Look at this shit,
I want
man.
you to drive around the parking lot or whatever, bro.
You wanna do what?
I can't.
You wanna do what?
No. I like this dude, bro.
Huh?
I like it, honestly.
This dude finna be doing snow angels and shit. Man, look at this door. Open the door. Open the door.
It's open, bro. Shit, bro. Look at my seat. Damn. Bruh, so you guys look at the floor. Damn.
Dusted your foot off before you got in.
I'm gonna buy the all other shit. Oh my gosh, I got a ice scraper in the back. Damn.
Oh.
Alright guys, so I'm finna go scrape some snow off the car. Go back in the front glass. Drive around for a bit.
You ever fun out there, nigga?
No, nigga.
You cold yet?
Get it back.
Alright guys, so I don't think the dude know how to use the scraper, so now he's using his fucking hands. So you're using your hands now? You don't have to use the scraper? Hey!
Alright guys, so I'm finna attempt to drive in the snow. I'm not going on the road right now. I gotta go on the road to go home, but right now I'm just gonna go around the parking lot real quick. Can I move this? I wonder if it's gonna work. Shit.
Did it work?
It works.
Okay, good.
Cool. Okay.
That's
I got
good.
my seatbelt on, don't worry.
This ain't my car.
Alright, can I drive around?
This ain't my car, nigga. You fuck your own shit up, not me. You pay insurance. Alright, let's see what we
Look at her scraping. Oh no, she's brushing. That's the one I want to get. The one with the brush.
Oh, she's brushing. I don't know where that is.
I don't know where it is either. I've never driven in snow, but this is just some weird shit.
You scared? Don't slip, nigga.
I don't see shit. Let's go.
There's shit to see.
Oh, they ain't see shit?
Oh, yeah. I wouldn't do that in the snow.
Look at that. I'm pressing the brakes and it's skidding.
It's what?
It's skidding.
It's skidding.
You don't feel it?
Nope.
Did you feel that?
We're gonna be the first
Get up
person.
for a bit, bro. Let's get up for a bit. Let's go in front of me, bro.
Alright. Okay, guys. This dude is really from like. Man, your car wasn't doing none of that shit.
Was it moving?
Yeah, it was moving.
But what?
It wasn't sliding. None
It
of
wasn't
that.
sliding?
Nah.
I thought it was sliding.
That's because your ass paranoid.
Alright. Well, anyways, guys, that's just it. I was just gonna show you guys my first experience of the snow. It doesn't feel like it's that hard to drive in it right now, but as I said, this is not even nothing, right? This is nothing compared to real snow. But this is my first time seeing snow, bro. Honestly, so yeah, and driving in it too. It's cool so far. I can feel the ground, bro.
You can feel the ground?
Yeah.
I feel like you just feel the snow.
Oh shit, yeah, I feel the snow. Where was I parking at? The fuck?
This motherfucker forgot where he parked.
I'm gonna change it now. Damn. My guy straight up dropped his phone when we were just coming down. Damn, my camera's turned the wrong way. I hope I'm gonna record this shit and turn it around. And he's running like he's not cold. But anyways, guys, that's it for this little video, guys. As I said, I was just doing this to show. Oh, look at my lips. As I said, I was just doing this to show you guys my first time seeing snow. That's it. I'm gonna edit it right now. Edit this video right now and post it right now. I'm glad he found this phone because that would be on me.